Hello Aish, today we learn what is operators in C. Operators are symbols that help in performing operations of mathematical and logical in nature. There are many types of operators in C language. Let us see. First you can see here operation type, unary operators. An operator is increment and decrement operators. And symbol we can use for this increment plus plus, and for decrement operators we will use minus minus. Now second is binary operators. In binary operators you can see there are more operators like arithmetic operators, means addition of number, subtractions of two numbers, multiplication of numbers, division and modulus. Then you come through logical operators which can be and or not. In relational operators you can see less than equal, greater than equal sign, not equal. Now you can see bitwise operators and or less than, greater than and jar. Now another operator is assign operators. We can see equal, minus plus, into equal, divide equal and modulus equal. Now let us see each one by one in some details. Like first we see arithmetic operators. We know plus operator is used for addition of two numbers, like add two operands a plus b. If we denote minus, unary minus, subtract the second operand from first, a minus b. When we multiplications, so multiplies both operand like a and 2b. Divisions, divide numerator by denominator. You can see a divided by b, numerator divided by denominator. Modulus, returns remainder if an integer divisions, like a modulus b. If like a is value 10 and b value is 2, then remainder will be 0, like 2 5 is 10, 10 minus 10 0, that is remainder will give 0. And you can see increment operator, increase the integer value by 1, like a plus plus, and decrement operator, decrease the value 1 by 1, like a minus minus. Let us see with the example of arithmetic operators. Open this Visual Studio Code. Now select C programs. Then there is folder C program. Now you can click on new files and name the file like operator in operators, operator, and extension in .c. So that file operator C will be created. Now see here. Here you can define include stdio.h, that is header file, and after that you have to assign integer x equal to 100, y equal to 50, and c their variable. There are three variables like x, y, and c. So here you can see c equal to x plus y. The sum of x plus y is c. And again we have written here c equal to x minus y. The subtraction of x minus y is percent d, format is specifier, and /n, and you have print c. Then here you can see cx C equal to x divided by y, numerator divided by denominator. So x value you can get, and C x modulus y, remainder when divided by y. So now run the applications and see what will happen. Run the code. So you can see x value 100, y value 5, then addition, the sum of x plus y is 150, the subtraction of x minus y is 50, and you can see the multiplication of x into y is 5000, and x divided by 2 means 50, 100 divided by 50 means 2, and remainder when you divide it by you will get c value 0, c value 11 divided by y means 0, like 50, 100 divided by 50 means we get the remainder 0. So this is the arithmetic operations in C. Now let us see what is relational operators. In relational operator you can see equality operators. Check the equality relation between two operands and return 1 if both are equal. Otherwise return 0. Like you can say if 9 equal to 9, that is true, and if 8 equal 9, then false, means value will be false. Inequality operator not equal. Check the inequality between two operands and return 1 if the both are not equal, otherwise return false. This is opposite of equality operators. Like 8 not equal to 9, that is true, 9 equal to 9, which is true, but we will give the false because 9 not equal to 9. Less than operators check if one value is strictly less than the other or not, and not one returns once. If the value less than otherwise return 0. For example, if 8 less than 9, that is true, and 9 less than 8, that is false. Greater than operator check if the value is strictly greater than the other one or not, and returns 1 if the value is strictly greater, otherwise return 0. Here you can see if 9 greater than 8, that is true, and 8 greater than 9, that is false, means return 0. Less than or equal operators. Check if one value is less than or equal to the other one or not, and return 1 if the first value less than or equal to, otherwise return 0. Here you can see 9 less than or equal to 9, that is true, 9 less than or equal to 8, that is false. Greater or equal operator. Check if one value is greater than or equal to the other one or not, and return 1 if the first value is greater than or equal to, otherwise return false. Here you can see with example, if 9 greater than or equal to 8, that is true, 8 greater than or equal to 9, that is false. So that is the relational operator. Basically we check the value between two variables or two value. Here you can see what with an example. Let us see another, like here you can see x integer value x y. We have assigned two value. We have defined two variable x and y, data type integer, and then assign a value x equal to 100 and y equal to 50. We have put the condition if x greater than y, then here you can write print x is still greater than y, means you can perform some calculation or print the value whatever you want. If this condition is not satisfied, then it will go else for. If the ever condition return false, then the else block will be executed, means here you can simply print x is less than or equal to y. So here you can see x equal to 100, y equal to 5 means 100 greater than y, that is true. So that statement will be print. Now run this application, run the code. So you can see here, now run the code. Now here you can see the output x is strictly greater than y. So here the first condition is true. So this statement will be printed here. This was the relational operators. Now see what is logical operators. Let us see we have two value column like x and y, and here you can see here one value 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. Logical and operators. If x and y, that is and logical operators which denoted by double and. So if one and one, it will give true value like 1. If 1 and 0 means if x and y give false, if either one true, another is true, it will be true. If either one is true and another is false, it will be false value. Like you can see 1 0 0 and 0 1 0 0 and 0 0, that is 0. If x or y, so if any one is true, it will give true. If any one condition satisfy, then it will give 1 means true, otherwise false. X or y 1, it will x y 1 0 1 0 1 1 and 0 0 gives 0. Logical not operators. Not operator. If x is 2, it will give the false value. If false, then it will give true. Like here you can see x and not x, what will be 1, that is 0 false, and if you 0 then y. And another is jar logical operators. In jar logical operator, if both bits are same, then it will be return false, otherwise true. Here you can see 1 1, that both bits are same, then it will be 0 1 0, it will be 1 0 1, it will be 1 0 0 means 0. In logical operator you can see if both bits are same, it will give the false, otherwise return true. Also you can understand with example of logical operators. So you can see here integer a equal to 1000, b equal to a equal to 100 and b equal to 800. Here you can see if a greater than 100 and b less than 1000, this is the first condition. Otherwise, if condition is not true, it will go to else block, like second condition. Now check this value, run the code. So you can see the output. This is the first condition. Here value 100 greater than equal to 100 and b less than 1000. So first condition will be satisfied. If we put only simply like b value 1800, now I want to check which condition will be execute. Now run the code and see, this is the second condition, means first condition will be not satisfied. Like here see a 100 and b 1800, a greater equal to 100, that is true, and b value 1800, 1800 less than 1000, that is false. So this block will be not executed and our pointer will goes to else part, and that this block printf statement will be executed. Now go to the increment and decrement operators. If you, how the increment decrement operator works, let us see with an example. Here you can see integer a equal to 100. We initialize a value of variable a to 100, which is data type integers, and here we define a plus plus, means we have increment the value by 1, like it will be 101, and again we have the increment here a minus minus, then we print it will be 99. So you can check here how increment and decrement will work. Now run the code. First we need to save it. Now again run the code. So you can see after increment value of age 101, that is true, and after decrement you can see 100. So that should be 100. Why? You can see here integer equal to 100, then value of age 101 now you can see here, and when we decrement it a minus minus, then 101 becomes 100. So that is true. Now see, like this one, here we define integer b and value of a assigned to b, and now let us see here, put b minus minus and put b. Now what will be the result? Let us run this code. So you can see here after increment value of age 101, and after decrement value of b is 99, because here a plus plus means 101 and b minus minus means what? Already which have value a, we assign b, so at that time b value be 100, and when we decrement this value becomes 99. Now comes to the assignment operator in C. Let us see, include stdio.h integer main integer a equal to 100. Here we assign a value integer b equal to a, value of a assigned to b, here value of 5 has 2 error to the variable c equal to 100, b equal to 100, means you can see assignment update, means here you can see variable a data type integer assign a value of 100. Again this value of a I have assigned to b, means here we have assigned a 100 and b also will be 100. So we can see this example with assignment operators. Now let us see what is the size operator. We can get the size of variable or data type, like character C double D. Here you can see printf size of variable C, size of. So let us see. So you can see size of variable C, that is 1 byte, that is character, and size of variable D, that is double, that is 8 byte, and 100 is an integer value and it will take 4 bytes. So I have defined printf size of 100, size of 100, that is 4 bytes. So from this size operators we can get the size of variable or data type. So finally we can see operators in C, that is symbols that help in performing operation of mathematical logical. So you can see like increment decrement operators, arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, bitwise operator, assignment operators, ternary or conditional operators. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.